quick video. I've seen this. I see a lot of guys driving these really fast cars, and that's a nice vet, old school vet. They be driving these really nice muscle cars on the freeway, Corvettes, Hellcats, and McLarens, all of that. And I see them. They be inviting the police to watch their YouTube channel. Like, you can invite the police to watch a YouTube channel and you speeding on the freeway. You know, and a lot of them say, well, somewhere in Mexico, but let's just keep it real. Okay, that gives you plausible deniability. But if you really doing something bad, like doing 200 miles an hour on a US freeway, and they can prove that the date you did it, the location you did it, and the speed you were going, and you got the video evidence right out there for them to grab and show to a judge, you fucked. You're a YouTuber and you out here, you know, thinking that you can put this somewhere in Mexico, which I've done it before too, you know, driving the vet, like, you know, a decent clip. You know, I put somewhere in Mexico, but then you put somewhere in Mexico and then you see the sign that says Euless Road 10 miles. Yeah, that shit don't work, man. But you could probably get away with that. But when you're inviting the police to look at your YouTube, don't do that. Don't do that, man. Some people you don't need looking at your YouTube. Because they have actually gotten, I mean, this has been overseas, they've actually arrested people that were, like there's this real famous video. This guy was in a, I want to say it was a Ferrari, doing like 300 kilometers an hour or something like that. And I think that maybe what, 180, 190. In an overseas, on an overseas freeway that a lot of them don't have speed limits, but in this case he was, and they actually reviewed the video and they took that fool to court, took his car. So I mean, if you're a YouTuber and your YouTube channel is about, you know, you modding your car and you may or may not be racing it on the streets of Mexico, Texas, don't be inviting police to watch your channel. That's just not smart. You know, I mean, you see the police and they holler at you and they look at your car, you know, you think they cool, but the policeman's job is to keep you from breaking the law. And they can use whatever tools they need to do that, to include researching social media to see, you know, what you do in that car. And if they can prove legitimately that you were speeding on XX freeway at XX time, at XX speed, you just screwed yourself. And then you become a target. So now, you know, you gotta change your game. And if you're making buku bucks on your site, and your site is about cars, you can't really change your game too much, because that's what you do. The point of this little quick brief video is, do not invite the police to look at your YouTube car channel. If you speeding on the freeway, this shit just don't make sense to me. That is all.
Look like a butterfly, sting like a bee. King Kong got nothing on me. When your back's against the wall, better fight back.